सोनी ये बताओ, एक चीज़ बताना मेरे को, जब से तुम्हारी शादी हो जाएगी आगे चलकर, तो क्या तुमको भी ऐसे रहना पसंद है कि तुम ऐसे रहना चाहोगी?
ऐसे
Just look, she wants to live the way I am standing. So it means someone has to take action. Today I am going to overcome my fear. Yes, friends. Today I am going to challenge myself one more time, and I am going to overcome my that fear. What is that fear? I will let you know soon in this video. So far I haven't tried it just because of I didn't feel like trying it, but just because of I didn't have that much courage to do this. But today, just because of I really want to bring changes in the society in which I am living, so I am having those guts, and I am going to do this. What is that? The way I am standing today, for the very first time I am standing without no pallu on my head, without a long veil, and I really want to bring this much freedom to the villages, especially to the village ladies. Here in the villages, each and every lady has to put on a long veil, and it is really very difficult to manage, especially to walk in the farm with a long veil. We have to walk on the very narrow path with a long veil, and we have to carry heavy loads or heavy things on our head, and we have to go to our farm. We have to walk through the street with that heavy load, and it's really very difficult. And therefore I'm going to take the first step, and I know that many people, they are staring at me, and they must be telling this thing to my in-laws and my husband, that today your daughter-in-law, she was standing and she was making video in the fields without pallu on her head, and it's not good for our society. You should tell her that don't do this thing. I'm going to ruin their daughter-in-laws and their daughters. But they don't know how much difficult it is to walk with a long veil. And you know, friends, as all of you know, that I am working on my English language learning journey, and I post my journey on my YouTube channel, which is English with Dehati Ma'am, and I love doing this thing. But what is the main purpose for doing this? Whatever I am doing, if I have taken this step, if I am working as a content creator, or if I am working as a social media influencer, then just because of I want to bring changes, I want to create new rules in this society in which I am living. Here, ladies are not allowed to do many things. We have so many dreams. We also want to live our life the way we want. But at each and every step, we have to take permission from our in-laws, from our husband. And that's why we have to think 100 times before taking action. Still, a lady, she is crossing, like she is behind my camera, she is walking. I will definitely show you. But now I can't show you because she may feel embarrassed, because here ladies, they don't want to come in front of camera, they don't want to show their face. This is the main thing. I don't know what is wrong with showing their face. What kind of dignity matters? What kind of concern is this? I'm going to show you. Just look at her. She has put on a wheel, and she is carrying a heavy burden on her head, and she is going her home. And to be honest, it is really very difficult for her to manage, but just because of she is accustomed to do this thing, so she doesn't feel any difficulties. But what about upcoming generation? As we know that development is everywhere, but what about development in the thinking of people? Still, here patriarchy is everywhere. Nobody wants to give freedom or authority or liberty to the ladies. सोनी, इधर आओ, एक मिनट आओ. I'm going to ask something from Sony. Come, come, come. जल्दी आओ, जल्दी आओ. I'll ask in Hindi. Don't worry. आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ. सोनी, ये बताओ, एक चीज़ बताना मेरे को. जब से तुम्हारी शादी हो जाएगी आगे चलकर, तो क्या तुमको भी ऐसे रहना पसंद है कि तुम ऐसे रहना चाहोगी?
ऐसे.
Just look. She wants to live the way I am standing. So it means someone has to take action. जाओ कर देख लो. My daughter, we don't want to follow the same rules, same rituals, same tradition, and we always take it as a dignity, as a matter of respect. What's wrong? What happens? What happens with this when a lady doesn't put on a long veil? And here in the villages, we see it as a crime. We always take it as a crime that lady is not putting on a long veil. It means she doesn't have good manners. Her parents hasn't taught her anything. She is without manners. Like my sister-in-law, Ambika's mother, every day in front of my father-in-law, in front of my husband, she puts on a long veil. But I don't like, to be honest, I am totally against this thing. So I am on this journey not just because of I want to earn money, I want to do something in my life, but I want to do something, especially I want to do a favor to the girl community, for the ladies. I want to create different rules, new rules, so that they can live their life as per their own choices. There shouldn't be any boundaries. And Ambika, she is crying right now, and my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law, they are busy harvesting mustard plants, and I am making video for my channel, because for me it is really very important, because I really want to do something for the ladies. So please let me know in the comment section, whatever I am doing this thing, is it right or wrong? And if you will support me, then definitely one day I will walk through the street the way I'm standing right now. I need so much guts. Even sometimes when I ask my husband to walk like the way I'm standing here, he scolds me. He doesn't support me, because he also doesn't want to take any step against the rules which have been made by villagers. Is it okay? Is it right to follow the same things, or there should be some changes? Now it's time to bring changes in the rules, in the law and order, and in everything. I think it's high time. And Ambika, she is calling. Chup. And I think it's enough for today. And in the last of this video, I just want to say only one thing, that you should also try to bring some changes in your society. If something wrong is happening in your society, so try to take actions, try to take steps against those old rituals or traditions. There's no need to follow the same tradition, same rules which had been made by our ancestors. Now it's time to bring changes for the betterment of the society. There's need to bring so many things in our society, and we have to give this liberty to our daughters. We have to protect their dreams. We have to help them to educate for the better education, and we have to help them to be independent, not financially, in every field. We have to make them enough confident, enough powerful, enough courageous, so that they can also work for the betterment of the nation. Because when a girl gets education, so it means we are not just improving our society. We are working on a better country, for a better nation as well. So do this thing for the village girl and do this thing for each and every woman. It's really very important. Start taking your steps for the betterment of girls.